What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to share your Discord profile link. Now first thing you should do is to simply open your Discord application on your PC. And now I want you to know that in this new update, you do not have profile link, but what you can copy it is your username. So you can simply copy your username and give it to anyone you want, share it with him so that he can send you a friend request. So now let's say that I want to copy my username. What you should do right now is simply go down right here to your profile icon. Then you can simply see here beside your name, you can click on copy username. Then you can give it to your friend or anyone you want. Then you can simply click on add friend and copy it right here. Then click on send a friend request. Or you have another method if you are having an old account and you have created your Discord a long time ago. You can go to this icon right here, the user settings icon. Then you can see right here below your name, you have this hashtag icon and you can simply copy this name also with the hashtag beside it. And this is another method that he can send you the add friend. And you can also find it down right here if you just hover over this icon right here. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.